PSL Pulse bafethu is the Betway Premiership at Orlando Stadium. First home game for Pagania. Orlando Pirates 2, Makesi 0. Kiswero Hotman Laka Zigote abuti ujong.
Ngimnandi wena.
Ngimnandi mfethu ngimnandi asikhulume ngegame yafana khona kanjani.
Yo. Yazini into besiyenze namhlanje besizele namhlanje. Beso provera labantu abathi basela ama game in hand. And beso ba provera namhlanje we are here in arena. Ayikho arena la eGauteng. Siyithi kuphela. Orlando Amstel Arena. Darko Blue. Bayathanda bangathandi. We are Orlando Amstel Arena. And le gama lithi eScotini. Angeke uphuma uphila la. Angeke life. Islogan sethu sazobangena. Noma kwenzakalani. Hey, I'm glad. Hey, our play today.
Beautiful.
Oh, beautiful, incredible. Everything was
perfect. Ngicela ungayimena of the match yakho ya today according to wena. Ipaka yayo authority ukuthi ukhethe man of the match unika abantu.
Hayi, ngineza umfana wethu.
Ubani?
Ufuke.
Right Toma.
Right Toma. Right Faith.
Right Toma
and the Right Faith. Kama gesi. Hayi, sitalile ke manje. Bakaloku basela game in hand. Laba game in hand abasiyeke. Laba bayahlupha. Naba la phambi kwami. Abasiyeke abola mthuthu. Abasiyeke la baniyeke. Hey. Yo. Ukuhluphanga. Yabona namhlanje. Sasa babhekane nani? Lale kepe engaka. Le amapikinini.
Cafe flight.
Le kepe engaka.
Let's win up before.
Sengiphumile kwa ngisakhuluma nabo kakhulu. Abafake mfethu mafethu. Mapania. La sekhaya. Let's come and support our boys. Noma singadraw ama away games. Asizeni la. Sizoyithethe arena.
Thank you.
Kube mnandi.
Ngiyabonga mfethu.